Hello students, so we will do some more problems on Euclid's division lemma today. The first one is if the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117, then what is the value of m? First of all, let's find out the HCF of 117 and 65. So 117 is the bigger one, so we start with 117 is equal to, I'll write by Euclid's division lemma, by Euclid's division lemma, we have 117 is equal to 65 multiplied by 1, and if I subtract it I'll get a 52 as remainder here, right? It's a normal division algorithm thing. So then, as we already know, this divisor becomes the next dividend, the remainder becomes the next divisor, and 52 obviously multiplied by 1 only will go, and you will get a 13 here. And then if I have now 52 here, 13 multiplied by 4 plus 0. So my last divisor, my greatest common divisor or HCF is 13. So I come back to the question that 65m minus 117 is equal to 13. So this implies 65m is equal to 117 plus 13, and 65m is equal to 130. So m is equal to 2. Next one can be used Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 441, 567 and 693. How do we use this when we have three numbers? So we choose the biggest one, the first bigger ones. So I start with the same method by Euclid's division lemma. I will get 693 is equal to 567, obviously multiplied by 1, plus if I subtract this I will get 126. Now 567 is equal to 126. This will go by 4 now, students, and we will have a remainder 63 now. Okay, then again 126 is the dividend now, 63 here, and 63 into 2 is 126. So multiplied by 2 plus a 0. So my HCF of 693 and 567 is 63. Now I will find out the HCF of, I'll write down as HCF of 693 and 567 is 63. We will find out the HCF of, now the HCF of 441 and 63, because 63 is already a common factor of these two. Now the common factor of 441 and 63 will be common to all of them and will be the highest common factor. So we start once again by Euclid's division lemma. (441) can be written as 63, and 63 multiplied by 7 will give us exactly 441. So plus 0. So this implies the last divisor is, or here the first one also is 63, though we are concerned about the last divisor when you get the remainder 0, which you have got in the first step only here. So the HCF ultimately, HCF of 693, 567 and 441 is equal to 63, which is the highest common factor for all the three numbers. I have another one here, a little difficult than this one. Using Euclid's division algorithm, find the largest number that divides 1251, 9377 and 15628 leaving remainders 1, 2, 3 respectively. So here beta, what we do is we are looking at those numbers which you get when you subtract these remainders. So HCF of those three numbers after subtracting 1, 2, 3 respectively from these three is what we are looking at. So first of all, 1, 2, 5, 1 leaves a remainder 1. So this implies 1251 minus 1, 1250 is one of the numbers. Then 9377 leaves a remainder of 2. So this implies 9377 minus 2, 9375 is the second one, and 15628 leaves a remainder of 3. Remainder 3. So this implies 15628 minus 3 is equal to 15625. So we are looking for now the HCF of 15625, 9375 and 1250. I have purposely written them in descending order so that I can start with the first two, the bigger ones, and then we can find the HCF of these two we'll get, and then we will find out the HCF of these two and 1250. Let's see. So again, by Euclid's division lemma, I'll get 15625 is equal to 9375. Obviously, the double will be more than 15,625, so this will go by 1. And the difference, the remainder, if we actually divide, should be 6250. So now next one, the divisor becomes the dividend. 9375 is equal to 6250, and we can see very clearly that this will also go by 1 only, and the difference now will be 3125, the remainder. Now 6250 is equal to 3125, multiply by 2 we will get 6250. So plus a 0. So the HCF of 15625 and 9375 is 3125. HCF of 15625 and 9375 is equal to 3125. Now what we can do, we can find out the HCF of 3125 and the third number here 1250. To find the HCF of 3125 and 1250. So 3125 is equal to 1250 multiply by 2 plus 625, and 1250 is equal to 625 multiplied by 2 plus a 0, and this is the required HCF. So the HCF of all three, this time HCF of 15625, 9375, 625, sorry, not 625, the third one is 1250 is equal to 625, which is the required HCF.